So what's inside Taj Hotel Room? So let's see. సో ఈ యాక్సెస్ కార్డ్ ఉండాలి లిఫ్ట్ యూజ్ చేయాలంటే, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ విల్ బి స్పెసిఫిక్ టు యువర్ రూమ్స్ ఫ్లోర్. You have big painting, and this entire room has wall moldings, man. So I think you can see all these. It's everywhere. They have followed some structure, right? Some design. You'll get a TV. It's like a stool. What else do we have? Do we have anything in here? Oh, one manave. And you have locker also. Okay. And oh, this is it actually working? Yes, man. See, this is moving slowly. I press this, so it started moving. Okay. Wow. Then what do we have here? Okay, now let's close it. A nice side table. And then another table. Oops. Let's go and explore bathroom. Land hotels love good about. Slide open and nice wardrobe. Okay. Well, this bathroom, and you know the other one. Oops. There's one more door. You can come here. So, ఇది తాజ్ హోటల్ రూమ్లో ఉండేది. సో వుడెన్ ఫ్లోరింగ్, nice lamp, bulbs, and paintings. Help me open. So that's it. Have one more moldings on the door as well.